All right. We're we're gonna try to figure out how to create our own maps in Roblox Studio and manipulate the LUA, I guess, is the programming file or the programming language in Roblox. For their maps, at least. I guess, I don't know. Let's see here. Okay, so it says here that learning Lua for Roblox map creation involves understanding Roblox Studio, Lua scripting, and game development principles. Here's how we can approach it. Get started map creation. So generating terrain using scripts, creating interactive objects like doors, moving platforms, or teleporters, adding spawn points, checkpoints, and game mechanics, and optimizing your map. So using efficient scripting to avoid lag, organizing scripts properly within models, testing, and debugging the output with the output console. So we'll go ahead and right now we're just watching June decorate or decorate her avatar. Oh, you should plug in your mic. Okay. What? Oh. Um. Uh. Speak into your mic. I don't hear it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So we're going to just we'll watch Junie do her thing for a little while, and then I'm going to maybe pull up some YouTube videos or something like that, and we can take a look at what other people have started to do. Maybe like beginner maps or like ways that beginners start to learn. You are? Maps or like I can't hear you. No, I think you need to change your audio. Did you change it? Oh. Okay. Okay. So we're also using ChatGPT to kind of be our co-pilot walking us through learning some of this stuff. Junie, what's your most popular map that you've made? Yeah. Just type it in. I'm logged into your account over here, so I don't know if it's gonna kick me out or if it's gonna kick you out. We'll see, okay? Oh, oh, there you go. Okay. Preppy Island. Is that the one with the super happy face? What? What? Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna be in it. I'm gonna be in the map maker. Okay. So you can keep playing regular Roblox. Okay. So here's mine. Um, got uh Junebug's map that she's created. What we did here was we we took a little tutorial, or we watched a tutorial on how to use Blender to um, manipulate items that you can download in or from the Roblox website. And so you drop the file that you download in the Roblox website into Blender, and you can adjust some of the you can adjust the shape and that sort of thing. So what we did was we in Photoshop took a screenshot of one of these, or not a screenshot, I think it was actually the image of one of these really expensive faces or masks or face skins or whatever. And we messed around with it in Photoshop. And so we kind of made our own. I think we put the hearts on there and stuff like that and changed the eyes or something like that. Then I put I, I pulled that from Photoshop into Blender and then wrapped it. And then I think in Blender we changed the color of the face too or something like that. I can't remember. Maybe not. But anyway, we ended up getting it to work, which is kind of cool. Um, and then there's a whole thing where when you actually upload it to your account, you know, can't make money off of it or something like that. But anyway, and then also there's like a placement whole thing. I'll try to find the link to that video. That video was super cool and really um, really educational. I don't know how educational this one's going to be because I'm just talking about what we did and I am congested. But okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and see what we do here in regards to messing around in Lua. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is we're gonna insert a part. I've actually never really poked around in here. Do a wedge. Okay, so here's our part. Okay. everything wants to snap to a spot. Okay. Alrighty, so it looks like, okay, so the first step is going to be, we've opened Roblox Studio, we've inserted a part right here, and then we're going to insert a script inside the part. So let's see. Insert a script inside the part. It's this one here. There's a script. Cool. And we'll just take this one. Doesn't say that we have to put any information at the top. There's local part, I guess. Okay, cool. So that's our script. Let's see if I can understand this here. So it says on touch. The brick color will change. Change color on touch. Okay. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's test it. Ginny is cinema roll right now. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. You roll over the item and it changes colors. All right. Ooh, what's that? Cool. So, yeah. I mean, that's a kind of cool. I don't know. I guess like if your floor was all made out of parts, you could walk around on it and it would start changing colors. It'd be like a disco, kind of. Okay, well, that's one way um to just throw a script in there, I guess, and do that. Cool. So let's try to find another cool one, or create another one. ChatGPT is obviously the way that you want to do some of this stuff. I mean, I don't even know if this is like a common script, but I'll put it right here so you can see it. So here's the script here. Cool. I may, let's see if I can, oh, you know what? I'm gonna create a notepad document. And then I'll save some of this. Oh, that's something else. Cool. So I will save all of this into a notepad document, and then we'll find a place to be able to host it, and then people can just download it if they want and use it. That'd be cool. Uh, okay, cool. Okay, so let's make another cool one, or let's come up with one here. Um, okay. Okay, so we'll do a teleportation one. Um, okay, so we'll delete this part, make a new part. We'll have this one be a cylinder. Let's see. Uh, cool. You know what we should do is let's make it so that when you jump on it, it's colored or it changes color. And then um you can use it as a teleportation too. Uh, you know what? I guess let's see if uh let's see if we need to run two separate scripts on one part to have it do two different things, or if we combine the scripts. Okay. So I'm just asking if we have to have a script for each behavior. Okay. Okay, so it says you can, but it's less organized. But you have to manage multiple scripts. So we'll do the one where we combine both of the scripts. So there was this part here, and it looks like oh yeah. Um, okay, it's not too different. So that is the original script here for the color change. And then this is the script for color change when you step on it, and then the teleportation. So yeah, it looks like it. You just call the teleportation maybe like a library script. Um, And then as far as where the vector is, I don't know. I don't really know where you're going to find that, but we'll figure it out. Okay. Okay. So let's see here. To want a part to have multiple behaviors. All right, let's see. So you can run it so that there's you can run it so that you have two scripts. So this part right here, you can have a second script on it. So one could be for color change and one could be for teleportation. But then you have to manage both of them. And so, oop. Okay. I get rid of this one. Don't want that. Cool. So I mean, in my opinion, the least amount of files that you have to go through, the better. Unless, can you rename them? I guess you can rename them, which is another way you'd be able to keep it organized. I've never done this before, and it looks like ChatGPT is really makes it easy though. I'm sure we'll come into some issues at some point. Okay, so all right, so the teleport pad on touch changes color, random color. Okay, not exactly sure what the vector is here, where it's gonna go, or where it's gonna drop us off, but let's go ahead and just play it and see what happens. Oop. Oh, it moves the what the? It moves the part. It doesn't it doesn't actually teleport you. That's what the? I'm pretty sure. Is it? You know what? Let's see here. Human root player, part player, and destination teleport. Okay. Okay. So the teleport script. It says it listens for the touched event of the part. When a player's character touches it, the script runs, finds the player's character, and ensures that they can be teleported. It looks for the humanoid root part, which controls the character's position, moves the player to a predefined location, searches for a part named teleport destination in the game. If the destination exists, it updates the player's position to match it. Okay. Teleport destination. Another part named teleport destination. What? No. Okay, so we're going to figure out how to use this here. Okay, so we're inserting a part, the teleport pad. You name the part to teleport pad. Okay. Call this
I got
teleport pad. Insert another part somewhere else. Okay. Cool. So that's the teleport pad. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Wait. Okay, never mind. Where else can we put this here? Okay, we'll just put one right here. Okay. And we're going to name this part teleport destination. Okay. Cool. So we have this one here, just teleport pad, and the script. Try to get all this stuff. Just gonna put this over here. I don't need any of that right now. Okay. Okay, so we have this one here, which is the teleport pad. We've renamed the teleport pad, insert another part somewhere else. This is where the player is going to teleport. So that's going to be this one. And we're going to put the script inside teleport pad, which we have, which is this. Let's put this one in here. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same. Oh, it's got some notes in there. Okay. Cool. And click play and test walking on the pad, and you should teleport. Okay, cool. So this one, I guess, just had to be named teleport destination, because the script here has a teleport destination. So I'm just gonna take this for the sake of not having to figure out if I spelled something wrong. And this one's gonna be teleport pad. All right. Okay, so yeah, we'll just see if it works. I think that's just like what it uses to call it. Yeah, let's check it out. Of course, this script is the only thing that doesn't want to like stay or like nest anywhere in here. Okay, that's fine. Cool, so let's find that teleport pad. There we go. Now we teleported. It doesn't change colors though. It must like you just get like right next to it and then it then it throws you there. It's kind of funny. It just makes you what? Okay. Jenny keeps changing her avatar. Looks cool. She's got skull pants and iPod headphones. Yeah, so that's how you do that. I'll add that to the I'll add it to the what's it called? I'll add it to the little notepad there. Let's try another one here. Oh, actually, it says that you can make it a two-way. It says you can make it a two-way teleport, which is kind of cool. Let's see. And add a cooldown so players can't teleport too quickly. Let's see what it looks like as a two-way. Okay, cool. So cool. Oh, okay. So this was the script for the one way, and so what you do is, oh, so it's having me change the names of things here. So we're gonna do teleport pad is gonna be teleport pad 1. So we're gonna call that teleport pad 1. And then we're gonna call this one teleport pad 2. Cool. All right. Now, so we're going to put a script into teleport pad 1, which is going to be this one. Cool. And then another script onto teleport pad 2. It's going to be this one. And let's see. Okay, so do. I think it's pretty much just okay. So the vectors, I think, is just like to make it so that the player doesn't get stuck in the floor, which is why they fall down on their back like that. So well, let's try to make that like 1. See what happens there. Probably still fall. Let's see. Okay. Cool. Okay. So. Oh. Oh my goodness. The teleport disc is stuck to me. Teleporting back and forth. Oh. Okay. um. Where? Where did the disc go? Um. Did they both combine? Okay. Well, that didn't work. Let's move this back to 3. Maybe that was what happened there. Okay. Okay, so it works, but it only works because in the way that we are stuck on the thing until we're bounced off of it. Okay, so I did read there was like there's a cooldown, so that the player doesn't instantly uh, so the player doesn't instantly bounce back like that. So let's do that. All right, so I'm going to just add this here. Port pad 1. Cool. Ba, 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 ba. Bless you, little Junie. Oh, okay. Okay. Cool. So here's a script to put onto teleport pad. 1. Cool. Oh, okay. Okay, teleport pad 1 is going to have this in it. Teleport to pad 2. Okay. And teleport pad 2 is going to have this script in it. Okay, let's try it. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, so maybe we can increase the time. Cooldown time 3 seconds. Let's do 5 seconds. And this one will do, oops, 5 seconds again. Now let's try here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that seems to work. Oh. It's still kind of um still kind of does it. But yeah, I mean you can see like you could probably adjust it a little bit. Represents a 3D value with a direction and magnitude. Okay. So it's gonna be y. The center one is a y coordinate, and then z. So x, y, z. Okay. Well, let's try to let's try to get her to not fall over when she um when she transports. So let's try. Maybe if I remove all of those, just automatically. Oh, that didn't work. And the and I just got dropped right back into there. Can I do scripts from here? Oh, I don't think so. All right. Um, okay, let's see here. Doesn't seem like that cooldown time thing worked. Oh yeah, I guess it did. Okay. Well, we'll figure out how to make it so that she doesn't fall. Judy's still over here playing. Okay. All right, so let's see here. So this is still the same script. It's just a little different with some information at the end of where we were messing with that vector 3 section. It looks like it's got an orientation on the y-axis to keep the character standing up straight. So we're just going to try this here. This is teleport pad 1. And this one's for teleport pad 2. Okay, so again, I have no idea what any of these are, these C-frame and things like that. But it says that the this section right here was set to a position so that there was no falling over when teleported slightly over the teleport pad, and prevents re-teleporting. So, but it made it 3 seconds again, so we're going to change that back to 5. And go ahead and try it. See if it works, if there's anything different about it. Oh. Oh. It does sometimes. Let's see. Okay. All right, I'm going to do this. Okay, let's see if that works. Something I can't move around. Oh, and it just instantly falls over. Of course. It can still be used as a teleportation area, though. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Bum, bum, bum. Let's see here. Okay. Gonna rename these because once I have them both up, I can't tell which one's which. Okay, so we'll do. It also had an option to make a slow transition during the teleportation, so we're gonna try that too. Okay, so teleport pad 1. It's gonna have this one. Get a big chunk of script so that we can just figure out what we want to do. It looks pretty straightforward. There's just like sections where you have your local scripts, and then it will call on that script and then write it out, and then you can make small adjustments there. Cool. So let's try this one. Keep this one here. Okay. Try that. Oh. Kind of cool. The cooldown obviously doesn't work though. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Well, that um acts really weird, but it works. Kind of. Let's see. Okay, this teleport pad 2. Cooldown time thing just doesn't work. Neither does this right here. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay. Well, the cooldown obviously isn't working, so we're just gonna revise that. Boo. Okay. um. Okay, so this one actually says to use the same script for both pads. So we're gonna try this one, and we can always go back and use an old script or that one of the scripts from the past if we find that that one's working better. Oh, they're still doing the same thing. I'm gonna try to get on top of this one here. Let's see. Okay, so it works, but then it bounces right back. Like the cooldown is just on one. Oh no. Oh, I just exploded. Okay. Okay, so okay, so the cooldown, it doesn't. Okay, there is a cooldown on one, not on the other one. Hmm. Oh, you know what? Let's see if here. Huh?
Okay, never mind.
I'm gonna do this, see if that works. There we go. That kind of works. All right. So let's do that. That. So that you don't land exactly on there. You're just to the side of it, and then you can jump back to it. Oh, except for if your thing turns into a wheel and then rolls right exactly where you're gonna land, then it just pushes back. Oh, wonder if you can. Okay, so well, anyway, that worked. It's cool to kind of see this work a little bit. since this is Junie's map here, I'm going to just make sure at least it works before I sign off. Oh, okay. It'd be cool if you could move this teleport spot here. Not exactly sure how you could do that. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Okay, so we're going to insert a part. Rename it pad 1. This. Okay. So this looks good here. We'll put this here. Back to the teleport location after you're teleporting from teleport pad 2 back to 1. And I guess there's just some sections here that say whether the character can push it around and that sort of thing and grab it. I want it to be able to be picked up. So try that. Okay, that doesn't work. All right, well, I think this script kind of messed it up. So we're going to just go back to this one. And then we'll just say that this has to be anchored here. Make it larger. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Here's the color of the teleport. Okay. And we'll change the color of this one up here too. Come on. I'll make it so that we okay, so can collide, we're not going to do that. Can touch, yeah, that's fine. Because collide, I think, is where they can push it around. Anchored, we'll anchor it. Okay. Now, try this one. Anchored. Can collide. Cool. All right, let's try and see if that works. There we go. It's kind of glitchy looking, but I mean, it works. Style quad. Between new. 1 second smooth move. Let's do 2 seconds smooth move. Maybe that'll be a little smoother. Nope, it's not. Super glitchy still. So maybe 0.5. That's what I'll do. Decimal point, but we'll try it. Oh yeah, that works. Cool. Well, that's a couple different scripts. I'm gonna stop now and maybe we'll play together on this one and we can have some kind of game out of make some kind of game out of the teleportation to the roof. Okay.